Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Realme P1. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and then click on additional settings. And now you have to scroll down and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now click on erase all data and then click erase all data again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.